Nandi Nature Residency at Nelamangala, 12.7 acres residential gated community project, BMRDA and NPA approved sites, individual Khata sites, amenities, gated community, clear marketable titles, entrance arch, parks with all-round landscaping, each plot with independent water supply and electricity, wide roads, rainwater harvesting, children's play area, highlights, Nelamangala town 2 kilometers, new APMC yard 1.5 kilometer, Tata Value Homes 3 kilometers, Golden Palms Resort 4.5 kilometers, Himalaya Drugs Company 6 kilometer, Nice Road 8 kilometers. Bank loan available, ready for registration. For more details contact us.